In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Wix website by adding a filter bar widget, connecting it to your product collection, and customizing filters for an even better user experience. This straightforward process will help your customers find exactly what they're looking for on your site, making their shopping journey smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started by opening up the Wix editor. This is your creative playground where you can design and manage every element of your website. Once you're there, navigate to the Add button on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on this will bring up a menu of elements that you can integrate into your site. Look for the filter bar option. This widget is a fantastic tool to help your customers easily search through your products by narrowing down options to their preferences. Once you've located the filter bar in the menu, simply click on it to add it to your page. You can drag and drop it to where you think it fits best on your site. Placing it in a prominent location on your product page is crucial since this is where your visitors will be making their selections. After you've added the filter bar, it's time to connect it to your product collection. Connecting the filter bar to your product collection ensures that it works seamlessly with the items you have for sale. To do this, click on the filter bar and a small menu will appear. Select Connect to Data. You'll then see a new panel where you can choose the dataset you wish to link. Make sure it is set to your products collection so that all your available items can be filtered. With the filter bar now connected to your product collection, you're ready to customize the filters. Click on the filter bar again to access the settings menu. Here you can tailor the filter options according to the categories and specifics that matter most to your customers, such as size, color, price range, or brand. Think about what criteria are most important to them and what will enhance their shopping experience. Taking the time to carefully set up these options can significantly impact user satisfaction and conversion rates. Remember, you can always test the filter functionality to ensure everything works as expected. It's helpful to go through a few runs as if you're a customer visiting your site. This will give you insight into the user experience and you can make adjustments as needed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added and customized a filter bar widget to your Wix site. This feature not only enriches your website's functionality, but also provides your users with a powerful tool to personalize their shopping experience. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.